Our motoring tip of the week concerns tires. Tire companies will tell you that ideally you should change all 4 tires on your vehicle at the same time. Same type and construction of tire, align the vehicle, maintain the proper tire pressure according to the manufacturer, and rotate the tires on a regular basis through the entire life of the tire so that the tires wear down nice and even all the way through their lifespan. Now, we all know that in automotive and elsewhere, ideal conditions don't always occur. So occasionally motorists are forced for one reason or another to mix in 2 new tires with 2 well-worn tires. That's the case on this particular vehicle, but there was a little bit of a mistake made here in that the 2 brand new tires went on the front and the 2 rear tires are almost worn out. We had this scenario very graphically demonstrated to us at the Michelin Proving Grounds in South Carolina. 2 tire mixture, if the new tires are on the front and the worn on the rear, that vehicle is really apt to spin out because you just don't have enough traction available at the rear axle and you can't steer the rear axle. So that thing is going to come around awful easily. Remember, if you're mixing in 2 well-worn tires with 2 brand new tires, the 2 new tires, regardless of the vehicle being front drive, rear drive, or all-wheel drive, the 2 new tires should go on the rear and the old ones on the front. If you can't do the ideal thing and replace all 4, that's your motoring tip of the week.
If you consider Motoring TV's been on the air for 30+ years, there's no doubt you've missed a few episodes. Well, there's a couple of ways you can catch up and make sure you don't miss anything. First, you can go to YouTube and look up just segments or complete shows. Also, if you want to know what we're doing, like today on a daily basis, just go to our Facebook page. And also, you can go to motoringtvshop.com, get some cool swag. Oh, there's also that Instagram thing.